So Rangagutta fourth order method, in that they will give dy upon dx, the value of this one, the function, the initial condition y0 and x0, and the step size. And now we need to find value of y at particular x. So for that, this one belongs to the second order method. Now in the fourth order method, we need to find 4 weightages. Here the k, which belongs to weights. So that weightage, the k1, which is the same as that of in a second order method, h into f of x0, y0, and the last term, which is k4, which is similar that of k2. Remember here? So k2, the second term, which is equal to h into f of x0 plus h by 2, y0 plus k1 by 2. Then value of k3 is equal to h into f of x0 plus h by 2 and y0 plus k2 by 2. And now the k4, which is same as that of this one, h into f of x0 plus h, comma, y0 plus previous k, means this one, k3. We need to find these 4 weightages. After that, we need to find the mean weight, I will call it as k, mean k, which is equal to 1 upon 6 into bracket k1 plus 2k2 plus 2k3 plus k4. By this way, you will get the value of k, and after getting this, you need to find the next value of y at next value of x. Or I will write here, at x0 plus h, you will get the value of y, which is equal to y0 plus the value of k. Right? So things to remember in this case, here h by 2, x0 plus h by 2 we have to take, and in this term the k1 we will extract k1 from here itself, k1 divided by 2, y value will be increased by k1 divided by 2. Here k2 divided by 2. That means the every k is depend upon the previous one. This k value is depend upon the initial conditions and the value of h. Next k2 depend upon the value of h, initial values as well as the value of k1. Similarly, k3 depend upon the initial conditions as well as value of k2. And the last one depend upon value of h, initial conditions and value of k3. Now remember this is the main formula. Since we have taken different values of x here, that's why the mean should be not like a not by means of regular method. It will be 1 upon 6 into bracket k1 plus 2k2 plus 2k3 plus k4. So we will take one example. So this one is the problem. By using Rangakutta fourth order method, solve dy by dx plus xy is equal to 2. At initial condition, y at 0 is equal to 1. Find the value at x is equal to 0.4, where the step size, that is h, which is equal to 0.2. Now, if I write here the equation, I will write here equation in this form: dy by dx is equal to 2 minus xy. Now the initial condition, I will write here at x0 is equal to 0, y0 is equal to 1. Now next, what they have given, h is equal to 0.2. Now we need to find the number of steps here. So the value of n, which is equal to x, we need to find out at 0.4 the initial value of x divided by h. Now we need to find the value at 0.4. That's why it will be the xg is of 0.4 minus x0, which is 0, divided by 0.2. So we will get here 2. That means we will have here 2 iterations. So the iteration number 1 will be, at the iteration 1, as usual, you know that we need to find the values of k1, k2, k3, k4, and by all this we will find the value of k. So let's solve this one. k1, which is equal to h into f of x0, y0. k2, which is equal to h into f of x0 plus h by 2, y0 plus k1 by 2. The value of k3, which is equal to h into f of x0 plus h by 2, y0 plus k2 by 2. And the last value k4, which is equal to h into f of x0 plus h and y0 plus k3. We need to find all these values. So this one is the function. So I will write only the functions and directly the values. So here the value of h, which is equal to 0.2, and we need to find the function at x0, y0. Currently x0 is equal to 0 and y is equal to 1. So if we put the values, we will get k1, which is 0.4. Similarly, we will take the value, this one, (0.2) into f of x0 plus h by 2. Here h is of 0.2, so divided by 2 is equal to 0.1. x0 is equal to 0, so 0 plus 0.1, we will get here 0.1. y0 is equal to 1, and value of k1 is equal to 0.4, so divided by 2 is equal to 0.2. 1 plus 0.2, I will get here 1.2. So we need to find this function. Similarly, 0.2 f of, here the same value 0.1. Now to find this value, we need to find the value of k2. Now it is equal to 0.2 0.376. So the new value of y, which is y0 plus k2 by 2, is equal to 1.188. And by this way, we will get the value 0.3762. Now here it is 0.2 f of x0 plus h, which is equal to 0.2, and y0 plus k3, y0, which is equal to 1, plus this term, so it will come it as 1.3762. So likewise, we will get here value 0.34495. Now what we need to find? We need to find the value of k, mean k, which is equal to 1 upon 6 into bracket k1 plus 2k2 plus 2k3 plus k4. By putting all these values of k, we will get here the value of k 0.2495. So at x1 is equal to 0.2, y1 is equal to y0 plus k. The value of y0 is equal to 1 and k is 0.2495. So I will write here directly 0.2495. Similarly, you can do the second iteration. So for that, I will draw a table. So by using table, I have to write here iteration number 1, the initial value of x and y, 0 and 1, value of k1 by using this formula, it will be 0.4, value of k2 by using this second formula, it is 0.376. Likewise, the value of k3, value of k4, which is equal to 0.34495, and by this means value of k is 0.2495. And here you will get the next value which is 1.2495. So for the second iteration, the initial value of x will be x0 plus h. Currently x0 is equal to 0 and h is equal to 0.2. So I will write here x is equal to 0.2. The value of y at y1, 1.2495. This value we have to take over here. Now by this means we need to find the values here, like, so we will get k1 when we put the x and y, these values, then we will get k1 which is equal to 0.3500, k2 will be 0.3145, k3 will be 0.31559, k4 will be 0.2747, and when we get mean k, which is 1 by 6, k1 plus 2k2 plus 2k3 plus k4, by this means we will get the value of k 0.31417. So that the next value y next, which is equal to the previous value plus this k, so it will be 1.56367. That means I can write here, for the third iteration, if it is, then my x value will be of 0.4 and value of y, which will be 1.56367, and this will be the answer. That is, at x is equal to 0.4, the value of y, which is equal to 1.56367. Thank you. Hope you understand this and stay connected for more videos.